Hey, it's Brandy, and I'm back with another video to share some inexpensive last-minute Christmas gifts for you. These are all probably under $5 that I did shop in the Dollar Tree, because you gotta love the Dollar Tree. So here I have some calendars that I altered. So I have a little pen on a clip, so I just used a bulldog clip and some elastic, and then I took one of the little pens that I got at the Dollar Tree. This is like a fine point like Pitt pen that I found at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3, and then this is just a bulldog clip. You can use whatever size you want. This just happened to be the size I had, and you can find them at the Dollar Tree, at Walmart, office supply stores. They come in all sorts of sizes. And then on the inside here, I just took some pattern paper that was in my stash and cut it down to the size of my calendar, and then I scored it to leave a 1/4 of an inch gusset on in the center, and then I laminated it, and then I took, it's a clear pocket. Let's see if I have anything to stick in it. I just took a clear pocket and put it in the front here so that you could put little notes, and then this is just a blank calendar from the Dollar Tree, and it's laminated so it'll stay nice and sturdy throughout the whole year. And then you can just stick your clip on it to hold it closed, and then I made the pen loop a little snug so that your pen wouldn't fall out, but you can make it a little looser if you wanted, and then it just clips. You can slide it wherever you want. You can change out the pen. You can move the pen loop. This way you always have it with you. Here, I'll show you the purple one. It's exactly the same. I did use double-sided paper just to make it easy, but this is a really quick project for under $2 a piece. So that's project number 1. So move that one out of the way. And then this is project number 2. So I just decided to use an oven mitt and stuff it with some kitchen goodies. So I bought one of my favorite things, which is their rubber noodle brushes, and a pair of kitchen scissors. And this is for, like, this is a barbecue kind of thing. So I put it in the oven mitt, and then I took, I just went online and I Googled a recipe for homemade, like, rub. I took a Dollar Tree glass shaker and filled it with the homemade rub recipe, and then I tied it with, I put a piece of saran wrap underneath so it wouldn't shake out the top, and it would keep it nice and fresh. And then I just took a scrap piece of fabric and some twine. This green twine is from the Dollar Tree, and filled it up. And so now I have like a little gift pack, and this one was $4. 1, 2, 3, yeah, $4. I had the twine, so I mean, if you had to buy the twine, but you get a ton of it. You get 2 rolls of green, and I think the natural color too in that. So I've used it for a ton of projects. And then this is another one. This is a little makeup nail kit, and these 2 pouches came together at the Dollar Tree along with the ribbon, so I just reused it for the packaging. I'm just going to slide this out. And then inside, I just filled it with a bunch of goodies. So I bought a little nail file, the little nail file clip kit, and then this is the hand sanitizer. It comes 3 to a pack. I also used these in my previous video in the little cups, so I stuck all those in there. Got some nail polish and everything, and some lip gloss. So quick and easy, again, under $5. And it's, I thought, well, it's just a little gift, nothing crazy, but just a little thinking of you. And then I did this one. This is like a stationery kit. So I found these cute little, I tied it with, this is like the ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So I just tied it with that, but I will pull it out. So I found this notebook. It came with the pen. It's just a blank like sketch pad notebook, which I thought was cool. And then I found this pencil case, and I just stuck some washi tape that I found there, and then another one of those Pitt pens from the Dollar Tree. And then I have some Crayola super tip markers. These are always on sale, especially at Walmart, and they had a 50-pack, and I just bought the pack because my kids go through markers all the time. So I let my daughter pick out a few colors that she wanted to share with one of her cousins, and so this is going to go to one of her cousins. And then I found this in the coloring book section. It's a how-to basics of calligraphy and it's by Crayola, and it's giving directions with the super tip or the fat tip markers. So I thought it was just a really cute little gift. Again, around $5 for the whole little gift. So that's another idea that we're going to use. And then this is my next idea. This is a little beading kit. And I found all of the beads at Dollar Tree. So they come in a mixed pack, and to make it look a little fancier, I separated out by color, and then I put all the alphabet ones together. My daughter had some extra beads in her thing that she wanted to share with her cousin, so I let her put those in here. So the butterfly and the peace signs weren't from the Dollar Tree, but they were something my daughter wanted to add from hers. And then they sell different types of cording, and you could use embroidery floss. My daughter had a ton of elastic, so I just took it and put it on little spools, and we shared that. And then I added a couple of keychain rings in case she wants to make some keychains instead of just bracelets, because my daughter is obsessed with making keychains for her backpack. So that's that. And the little container I also found at the Dollar Tree. So again, right around the $3 to $5 range. I bought 2 packs of beads and the case at the Dollar Tree, and then the rest of it I just pulled from my daughter's stash because she wanted to share with her cousin. And the last idea I have is I always find it really hard to shop for little boys because you never know what they want. You never know what they're into. So I made a science kit. This is all based on water. I just typed up a little sign on my computer and put it, this is a pencil box I buy extra at the end of like the back to school season, just so I have extra because I know my kids are going to break theirs. So I think I paid 50 cents for it, if that, at the most. I went through, and the Dollar Tree sells a bunch of science kits in their toy areas. I took them all out of the packages and put them in here. So we have a crystal, like a grow your own crystals right here. This is fake snow, and then it comes with a spoon, and then the little gel beads, and then the grow your dinosaur. And so what I did is I took them all out of their boxes and put them in here, and then I went on my computer and I just typed up all the directions that you need for it, so it's all in one kit. So he can pull out the whole kit and do the whole thing. And everything is based on just add water. So you add water to watch the crystals grow, you add the dinosaur to water and let it sit, and it'll grow over several days. You add water to the snow, and it'll fluff up. I'm pretty sure this stuff is the same stuff that's inside like baby diapers that's absorbent. So I'm pretty sure it's the same stuff that's in there. But it's still really cool, and it's a fun science experiment. And then we've seen everyone's played with the little gel beads that absorb the water. But something fun, something simple. Again, right around the $5 price budget. So we have like something for like a little boy, a young girl. You could do for the stationary or tween age girls, a tween age girl, and then you could do it for a father, an uncle. Would be great for like the barbecue. If you have, I'm a big barbecue person in mine, so I would totally love that. And then for the planners of the family. So a little bit of something for everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little idea video, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks.